Hi all, so welcome to this channel, and in this video session I'll cover this catalog table, that is SYSPARMS. So basically this is for the UDFs, the functions which we create. So I already created one video on SysFuncs that is having an entry for every function we are creating. So that has several parameters regarding its properties and other things for a function. So if we create a function, we must check the entry in the sysfuncs to whether that function is gets created, or what are the defaults, or what are the external name for that function. So we can get all that information from there. But here in sysparams we have an additional information which we get. Basically we have an row for each parameter which we are receiving or returning from the function. So it contains the parameters detail. So as each parameter has a row in this sysparams. So let me show you. Select star from qsys2.sysparams. So let's check for my all functions in my library. So you can see all these things. So you can see these are the specific name for every function, and we can see several entries for them, like 3 for this, 3 for this, 4 for this, and there are more than 4 entries for this. Let's see. Let's do shift F9. So you can see the ordinal position of the parameters. So this is first, second and third. So the first and second are input parameters, whose parameter name was passed as num1 and num2, and this was the output. So there is no parameter name for this, so the data type would be defined for this. Same way this one, in out. Same way this one, in out. So 3 parameters are input and 1 is return parameter. Here you can see 4 parameters are input and 1 is return. The same way for this one, this is in, that is schema name and table, and these are out, name, column number, column type, length. So these were the above are returning only one parameter, so they are scalar functions, UDFs, and this is a table UDF, so that is a UDTF. So here it's returning the list of columns, that is a virtual table. So that table have these sets of columns. So basically these are treated as the output parameters. Again, this is even IDs. So this is returning ID, even flag, or name. So basically this does not have any input parameters, and it only contains the table column. So this is a table function UDTF. Again, so this way we can, and this denotes the data type. So that input parameters are integer and return is also integer. Here it's decimal input and return is integer. All are integer here, which are input or output. So this defines the precision which is used for that is integer 10, and here it's decimal 5252. So 2 is the scaling decimal position. CCS ID is null, and for them it's 0, where it's a character data type. is nullable, yes. So yes, all these information you can get. So you have an entry for each parameter as a row. So each parameter has a row in this SYSPARMS table where you can get the information whether it's an input parameter or an output parameter, or what its type is, what its length and precision is. All these information you can get from this table. So that's all for SYSPARMS in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.